Hello, dear viewers. Today I will show you that's how you can get online passive income with MetroOpinion. Paid survey, earn money, online work from home. Get up to $5 for each survey, save an easy payment. You can choose your country here. How to earn with paid survey in 3 easy steps. Sign up. Everyone can join. It is easy to sign up and it only takes 30 seconds. Start registration free. Here you can go. Answer. You will be invited to surveys via email. Answer. Honestly, your answers are anonymous. Get paid. When you reach the payment threshold, you can get paid with one click. So here you can visit what your user says about us. I can do this and a comment to work, fill us up time and earn some money with win. If you come here, I do serve on several websites and these guys are cool. And first you can turn here. That's interesting way to get decent pocket money. Okay, so earn money online. It is easy with MetroOpinion. Earning money online is quite easy with service from metroopenion. We have optimized our software to find the most relevant service, more money for you. When we find perfect survey for you, we will send you an invitation via email. It is important that you sign up with our primary email addresses. Registrations with the email address you use regularly in best way earn money. If you do not participate when invited, the invitations will go to another member for MetroOpinion. Payment is easy with MetroOpinion. You can choose between multiple payment options. We have thousands of happy member MetroOpinion that have received money from us. It is fun to earn money with MetroOpinion. Companies uses your answer to create better products. That means your answers make different. Payment for survey is easy. Understand the payment options: PayPal, voucher, donations. You can get another way also. Work from home by doing surveys. How much can earn by working from home? Answering service, desktop, tablet or a smartphone. You can use three of that and sign up here. When you sign up here, how to earn money on the service. It is easy to join MetroOpinion. To start money on the service, you can join for free and service remains free. So side online part-time job, easy jobs for students to earn money, additional income for the elderly. Okay, you can do here. The best bid service, MetroOpinion is one of the best, easiest way. Sign up and start earning. You can see here Europe, Oceania, Africa and Asia. So in Asia country here, I am mentioning in Bangladesh also. Here you can get in Bangladesh. So all over the world is MetroOpinion is doing their work. So here every countries can do their MetroOpinion. If you any doubt, you can mail here support@metroopinion.com. So I think whenever you go to sign up, you just click here and select your country and your subcontinent, and then you can allow to do this job. Okay, that's easy and anyone can find. Whenever you sign up here, you just select your country. Here is Europe, here is Oceania, Africa, and here is Asia. Asia in Bangladesh. If you can click in Bangladesh, you can go close it. It's here pay survey and money online work from home. Here is it. So you can start here. If you click here, you can put your email and register. Just give in a password and log in. Okay, so have an account. You can log in, and whenever you confirm your email, that it will be open and you can do a survey and you can get your money. Okay, so I hope you like this video, and next time I will show you another video how you can get online passive income money. So subscribe my channel and get your this video, and hope you also subscribe my channel. This is So it's the best daily online income positive tech. I delivered lots of video where how you can get money, and you can go there and check my video and subscribe my channel for and press the bell icon and get the first notifications when I uploaded videos on passive income in online. Thank you very much for watching my video.